me, of course, this is a way of life. Being a master guide is a way of life. I don't know why I am still here, when in fact I have finished master guide many years back already, together with Sir Raynel. But I am here because I have found fulfillment in leading this master guide